109 Orlando, waving hand. Roger on that. You have a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year yourself here, 288. Always a pleasure talking with you. Appreciate you coming back, 109.
Yeah, I haven't heard that 288 in a long time. I wonder if he's still on the radio.
Yeah, whoever's on the road there. There, Roger.
There's on. Double check. There's on. 10, 12. 288 still got a radio.
Yeah, who was that one to know where 109 is located? Yeah, that station wanted to know where 109 is at. We're down here in Orlando, Florida, Roger.
Come in there, guys.
Okay, Firefly, yeah, we'd be down here in Orlando, Florida there. 109, be down here in Orlando there, Roger.